Ay, I like bitch, you is your mess. Ay, can't keep my dick in my pants. Ay, my bitch don't love me no more.
What is up, guys? It's your boy here, Z_Sniper. So today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to download the KIDDIONS mod. So I'm going to leave the link down into the description. So you're going to want to press that link. Then I'm going to put you into this page. And you're going to want to register. So click that, put your email and stuff. And after that, you want to press download. It might show on the top right or the bottom to open the file. And then if not, you could just go to files, download, and then want to double click or right click and then press open. And then right here, you'll want to open GTA 5 first and then open it. You could right click it, run as administrator, or you could just double tap it. So if you like me, when I don't like it being so slow, here just almost exited out. You just want to press this. Hold up. When you have the tab open, like the menu, you want to right click it and then move this. You don't want to pin as taskbar, for it could be easier to open. And then if you don't have that thing, that number keypad thing, I'm gonna show on the top right. You're gonna want to go here. You could put up, down, left, right arrow. But I'm not using the up arrow because that's to open your phone. So I use the PG up. And if the menu's not showing, you're gonna want to go to your graphics and not on full screen. You're gonna not want to put on full screen. That's on full screen. Change it. Change it onto. It's gonna say like Windows. Why is it taking so long? It's just a page that's open. You're gonna go to Windows here, and you're gonna wanna put it to there, and then it's gonna show like somewhere around here, the menu. So yeah, that's the end. But before I end the video here, like I'm gonna be showing a video on how to do this. So yeah, it's gonna be like in a couple minutes. But like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll be here on the next. No, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.